Hey guys, it's Misty here. So, what I have is a video for Activity 2, the Dixhotomous Key Worksheet Graded Activity. So, I want to go through this. This is very important. Attached are two Google documents. The one labeled Activity 2 Dixhotomous Key Worksheet Graded Activity right here is the one that I'm counting as a grade. That's your activity for this week. If you happen to have everything turned in for this 9 weeks, so from everything from week 1 until week 6, and all of your assignments are turned in and graded above a 60%, and you want a few points of extra credit, you can complete the extra credit salamander identification activity. Okay, it has to be 100% correct to get the full extra credit points. Now, I will apply this extra credit to your lowest graded assignment or the lowest graded category. So say your quiz category is an 80%, I will apply those extra credit points to a quiz grade of some sort. All right, I'm creating a video now where I will walk through this particular activity here. I'm going to stress this again, guys. I can only include extra credit if you have turned in everything. Do not turn in your extra credit and think it's going to save your grade if you don't have everything turned in. I cannot even put it in the grade book if you have not turned in your regular credit. Okay? I cannot give you extra credit if you do not have everything else turned in. All right? So don't email me, don't comment, don't say, look, Miss D, I turned in my extra credit. Can you put it in? No, you're missing 5 labs. I cannot do that. Okay? You have to have everything first. Everything has to be completed. Nothing below a 60 before I can count your extra credit. All right? That's just a district thing. All right? So, if you click here, this is your own copy so you can write directly into it. Okay? It's going to bring up this weird looking chart thingy right here. Okay, this is what is called a dichotomous key. Alright, now you can put your name if you want, although you all have your own copy. So, the directions. Using this key right here, you're going to identify the scientific names of each of the organisms below. So if you scroll down to the second page, there are 14 organisms. They're all up in this chart. Okay? Alright. Find and match the scientific names of the organisms' common names using the key. So for each organism 1 through 14, you're going to start at number 1. So I'm going to go through and I'm probably just going to do the first column here, 1 through 7, and then you guys, in order to get 100% on this activity, will need to correctly answer 8 through 14. So if you only have 1 through 7, then I'm not giving you a grade. 8 through 14, correct, that will be the grade that you'll get, okay? So, we're going to go ahead and start with the common name dog. So, number 1, it says dog, okay? So, coming up here, we're going to go start at number 1. A, is a dog an animal? Is it not an animal? A dog, as far as I'm aware, is an animal. So, then we're going to go ahead to number 2. So, we'll go down here to number 2. A, has wings. B, no wings. I'm going to go ahead and say, based on my own dogs, that dogs do not have wings. So I'm going to go ahead to 6. So I'm going to go to 6. A, lives in water. Lives in land. I live on land. My dogs live with me in our house. So they live on land. So I'm going to go to 7. Does it have fluffy fur or no fluffy fur? Well, my dog is fluffy. Both of them are. So I'm going to go to 8. Is it a common pet or not a common pet? Dogs are very common pets. So, look at this. Canis familiaris. So, you guys have heard me use the word Canis lupus familiaris. I'm going to copy and paste. So, what I just did there was I highlighted the name and copied. Then I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to paste. Okay. Alright, the next one is a shark. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start back at 1. A is an animal, not an animal. So a shark is an animal. Okay, it's a fish. we're going to go to 2. Has wings, no wings, they don't have wings, they have fins, so we're going to go to 6. Lives in water, lives on land, so 6A, go to 9, because our sharks live in the water, in the ocean. Alright, 9. A has fins, that should just say, oops, why there's an R there. B, no fins, okay? It has fins, so we're going to go to 10. Has A, razor sharp teeth, or B, pegged pointy teeth. It does have razor sharp teeth. Okay, so we can also look up what kind of shark it is. Ooh, a great white shark. Okay, look at that. So this is one way you can also test whether or not your answers are correct. All right, a rose. So we're going to start over. 1, A, is an animal, go to 2. B, not an animal, go to 11. So a rose is a plant, therefore it is not an animal. So we're going to skip down over here to 11. All right, A, is it green, go to 12. Or B, is it not green, go to 13. So this one I'm kind of glad I'm doing. You might be like, well, rose plant is green. It's not saying about the plant, it's talking about the specific flower itself. So the flowers are usually, you know, they could be white, they could be pink, they could be red, they could be yellow. I think they're yellow. I don't know, I don't have roses. They're not green. So then we're gonna go to 13, and 13 is, can it be poisonous or is it not poisonous? So roses don't tend to be poisonous. You can actually kind of see Rosa here. I'm gonna copy and paste that, so Rosa. That's the scientific name for a little rose. All right, 4 is a skunk. Ooh. So going back up to the top, 1A is an animal. Okay, I think we can establish that a skunk is an animal. So we're going to go to 2. 2, A is has wings. No, it's a mammal, so it doesn't have wings. B, no wings. So we're going to go back down to 6. 6A, does it live in the water? No. Skunks live on the land. So we're going to go to 7. 7A, does it have fluffy fur? Go to 8. Or no fluffy fur. Let's see. What do we think it would be? I think I don't know. I'm going to personally say, based on the other choices, that it has fluffy fur. Okay. It does kind of have fluffy fur. I'm going to go to 8. Is it a common pet? Well, no, because we already did that one. Not a common pet. Okay. Let's see if this is our lucky winner here. Look at that, the striped skunk. There actually are people that, when I was growing up in Florida, the animal, some of the skunks that were at this one place that I used to volunteer at, they actually had skunks that were taken from people who thought it was a good idea to have a skunk as a pet. So you can actually remove their glands and descent them, but obviously if you descent the skunks, that's its main source of defense. I mean, it's got some camouflage. That's what the coloring of like the striped skunk is, for example. So this is, it is a coloring camouflage pattern. But their main defense would be their sight glands. So if you remove those, then you're limiting its ability to protect itself. And these are also really cute too. These are like tiny, and they do like this little handstand. And then they like spray you, and so a lot of people would see this skunk doing a handstand and then like get close to like take a picture, and then they get sprayed in the face. But these guys are found like along the beaches. They eat like the sea grapes and stuff. But yeah, they're not pets. Do not get them. They're not pets. All right, 5 is a turkey. Ooh, this is fun. All right, so 5 is a turkey. Starting at 1, a turkey is an animal. It is a bird, so we're gonna go to 2. 2. A has wings, go to 3. So you can see how easy once you kind of get the hang of this. I'm not really gonna read both of them. All right, but so a turkey has wings. Yep, we're gonna go to 3. Does our turkey have feathers? So 3A has feathers. Go to 4. 4A, it flies high. I don't think the turkeys fly that much. B does not fly high. So we're going to go ahead and see if we're correct. And just look at that, the turkey. Gobble, gobble. Alright, now that we've copied that, we're going to paste that right here. Alright, a dolphin. So 1A, a dolphin is an animal, it is a mammal. We're going to go to 2. Has wings, does not have wings, it does not have wings, it has fins. So go to 6. A lives in the water, or lives on land, so unlike the seal or something, I would say that these guys live primarily only in the water, so we're going to go to 9. Let's see, 9A, it has fins. No fins, I already said it had fins. So we're gonna go to 10. Alright, 10 says razor sharp teeth. Well, that was our fish. And then B, our pegged pointy teeth. Makes it this guy. I want to know what's the common name of this particular guy. I don't know. Is it the bottlenose dolphin? Let's see. Oh, wow. I got that one. That was pretty awesome. Oh, look at that. And that's actually the common name. It looks like my thing mispronounced. Yeah, there we go. Alright. There we go. It's actually italicized when you write these, so the way that these are written or how you write their scientific name. The genus name here is capitalized. The species name, so this tells me it's a bottlenose dolphin, but you might have other species with the same genus. And then this is lowercase, and then when you write them or you type them up, you are to italicize them. Alright, so 7 is an eagle. 1A is an animal. Yes, so we're going to go to 2. 2A, it has wings, so we're going to go to 3. 3A, it does have feathers. As far as I'm aware, bald eagles have feathers, so we're going to go to 4. 4 says it flies high, right, because this is our turkey, so we're going to go to 5. 5A, often yellow. No, not yellow. I'm going to go ahead and say that our eagle, this happens to be the scientific name for the bald eagle, and I know that because leuco means white, like if you have leukemia, you have a cancer, like the white blood cells, and cephalus here means head, so this means that it's got a white head, so bald, because, you know, it looks like it's bald from far away. Alright, so that is our bald eagle. So as you guys can see, the dichotomous key is not very difficult. This one happens to be very, like you can really make one about anything. Most of the dichotomous keys you'll see are between similar looking species. So if you do want to do the salamander one, you can see, you know, how the salamander one looks. So there's a dichotomous key to tell the difference between these different salamanders. It's kind of fun.